Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Cancer, okay. Cancer and the person, what's going on here? Center of my spread is the Knight of Wands in reverse, Cancer. Knight of Swords. Okay, a lot of endings and okay, so Cancer, bottom of my deck is the Nine of Cups. Just wanting happiness now, that's about it, right? All I want, God, is happiness. I'm done with all my sadness, all my depression. I'm healing, I've healed, I've picked myself up, I'm doing the right thing now, and I don't want to be, I want to put an end to this last cycle of, meeting players in my life or feeling always betrayed and feeling lost, having, people come towards me with conflict and fighting. I want to end all that. All I want is my person. Okay, that's the first thing I'm getting from this spread. Of course, things change as I start clarifying them, Cancer. So what I'm going to do, I'll start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. Cancer and their person. All right, and I'll take a couple more from here. Cancer and their person. All right, good to go, Cancer. I'm ready with your cards. Let the first card here says, I always thought we would get married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you're with them. Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. Like I said, somebody went a little under. I think they picked themselves up now. Somebody is glowing, shining, full of confidence, looking like a star, probably totally healed now and no longer accepting bullshit in their life. I know that you are with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel, so I don't think I'm going effing crazy. This could be this King of Wands person, because they're shining so bright. I mean, it's impossible for anybody to believe that somebody who's shining like this, like a star, and looking like the Queen of Wands, and has all this attention on them, could be single. So maybe that your person is now feeling this way, or vice versa, whichever side you belong to. I love you not only for your beauty, but for your soul. Our love will be alive together because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. Okay. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I've ever done. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. This situation is messy. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel about you, there are no words to explain the depth of my feelings. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start again. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. So, whoever's done this work, whoever's become now, whoever's healed here, I think you're in a good spot here. Your person thinks you are their wish fulfillment. So, before I start the reading, Cancer, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for this read, and then we'll start the clarification process. So, my angels for Cancer, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Marriage. Cancer, you get the card of marriage. So I don't know what this means for you. Maybe this is an upcoming marriage. Maybe you guys are already in a commitment, but this is a strong connection. Some of you could be leaving a marriage. I don't know. I mean, each of you, so many of you out there could have but I do see a positive ending because I have this is my favorite guy, by the way, the King of Pentacles, upright. Handsome, smart, very responsible, takes care of home, hearth, business, and their love life. So, anyway, less about me, more about you, right? So, Four of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why is the Four of Swords here in reverse? Yeah, somebody's now stopped holding back and sitting in a pity party or anything like that. I think they've released most of their pain. I think all this depression has been released now, at least from this Queen of Wands end. Because they seem to have come out like how? Shining, beautiful, sexy, turning heads, excited about, yes, they've brought back balance and justice to their own life, it seems. They've kind of totally balanced their life out to say, hey, enough of, waiting around, enough of moping around, I'm releasing all that. If the person is not going to bring me the thing, then I'm going to rebuild myself. Whatever crashed down here in this queen's life, they feel I'm going to start rebuilding my own life and I can do it myself. I'm the Queen of Wands. The Star, Spirit. The Star. I think if somebody was feeling a little let down maybe, or not strong because maybe there was a hope for a marriage or a ten of Pentacles scenario with their person, I think all this healing has allowed this Queen of Wands to no longer be really stressing about it anymore. They've kind of figured out that, hey, with or without you, I can love myself and I can find somebody else. Yes, I did want marriage with you. I did want all this with you. I could see a happy future with you. But if you're not going to be strong enough to offer it to me, then maybe I should put it to an end. What's this Death card, Spirit? Yeah, somebody's decided to start a brand new journey here. It's so sweet. I mean, look at this. Death card with the Fool card. Like, this is the ending and this is the beginning. No longer entertaining, players or people who are immature or people who are going to bring any kind of drama, always making, one feel like, you're always the loser and they have to be the winner and all these silly games. Somebody's saying here, no, I'm not allowing that anymore. I've been there, done that. I've had all the 10 swords pierced in my back and I am not allowing anybody to mess with me again. So, yes, no more lies. Knight of Wands, say something to us. Knight of Wands, why are you here? Knight of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Wands. This has like been a repeating cycle, I think. This person comes in, gives a little bit of drama, a bit of passion maybe, then leaves and then comes back. So it's been like a repeating cycle of lies and betrayal and whatever I think this Queen of Wands has gone through. And I think they've reached the end now. I'm not going to go through one more cycle of this. 10 of Swords, Spirit. 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords is also clarified by the 10 of Swords. Wow. Somebody says, no, I'm not going to allow it. This is not just 10 swords, these are 20 swords, Omkara Tarot. I have been betrayed that badly. I am now going to be reborn. I want a rebirth. I want a partner who's going to give me equal give and take now. I'm not going to be breadcrumbed anymore. Enough. Done. So, Knight of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Whatever this fight has been between the two of you, Cancer, I feel in this period that I think this Queen of Wands went through this depression, this has been actually a positive for them. I know it sounds really foolish for me to say that, but let's see this. The fight went into maybe the dark night of the soul, maybe that isolation time is what propelled this Queen of Wands to become the best version of themselves. They've actually graduated to being the Empress. Now, you cannot become the Empress just like that, Cancer. You have to go through fire to become the Empress. I mean, the Empress is the queen above all queens. So you have to have faced a lot of things in your life to have actually ascended to having become the Empress. And I think now, finally, with this last chapter ending, somebody has actually become the Empress now. Now they're moving into a brand new chapter of their life, it seems. The world. The world, Spirit. What's this world? What's this world card? One more. Oh. Yes, this is the release. This is the release of whatever was toxic in this Empress's life. Now I think it's time to rebuild here. Cancer, this is the time to rebuild. I don't know with your old person or new person, I'm not sure right now, but this chapter of pain is over. Whatever you felt was sneaky, lying, or you felt backstabbed here, you felt lack of love, you felt there was no hope left, you felt there was, the passion was over, or whatever negative cycle that you've been in, that's all getting released. The Devil in reverse. This is going to be like a brand new beginning where you can work on the kind of life that you want. And this brand new chapter which is starting now, Cancer, for you is not going to be like the old. Now whoever's going to come into your life has no choice but to match the vibration of this Empress. Has to be a minimum of a has to be a minimum of a King of Pentacles, if not the Emperor himself. Right? So let's see who this Emperor is. Spirit, who's this Emperor now? Who's this Emperor coming into this Empress's life? Sorry, oh God. I said Emperor, I should have said the King of Pentacles, but I have the Emperor out as well. 1 second. So, who's this Emperor? This is this the old person, Spirit? Maybe not. I don't know. This could be new love coming into your life, Cancer. It's of course up to you whether you want to accept it or not. I think this Empress is right now deciding to be single and available to check out any new options that can come their way, right? This is like ready for new love. This whoever you were dealing with in the past who didn't match your vibration, Cancer, who was the Emperor in reverse, who never put in any work maybe, who probably brought third parties into your connection, who always made you feel left out in the cold, I think this Empress could be on the verge of dropping them, releasing old baggage. There's so many tens in this reading, I've lost count now. 10 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, 10 of Swords, 10 of Pentacles was also there. Yeah, so the point is this Empress is right now, this is just current energy. I mean, energies shift and change, but that's how I'm feeling about this Empress now, that I'm not going to accept a false Emperor in my life. I want somebody who is solid, who's going to actually take responsibility now. So yes, somebody could be coming in for you, because I do see wish fulfillment. This could be new love, but I also see somebody keeping a close watch or spying on you. Maybe this is somebody from your friend circle who you don't even know, maybe somebody on social media, or this could be your past person. I have no clue. In the next reading, let's see what turns up. Maybe new love, old love, I have no clue. But as of now, from what I see, this Empress is now ready to accept pure, authentic love in their life. They're no longer going to accept anything which is of low vibration, right? So yes, you're attracting good things in your life, which is a good thing. All right, so that's all I have for you, Cancer, today. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.